making some shapes.
Are you ready? Here we go! Circle, circle, round and bright, rolling here and out of sight. Circle, circle, what do you see? I see a square looking at me.
Square, square with sides the same, window, block, or picture frame. Square, square, what do you see? I see a triangle looking at me.
Triangle, triangle, pointy and neat, like a slice you love to eat. Triangle, triangle, what do you see? I see a rectangle looking at me.
Rectangle, rectangle, long and wide, doors and books are where you hide. Rectangle, rectangle, what do you see? I see my friends all around me.
Circle, square,